Okay, then we reassemble the brake master. In the previous Xenia car, that was the case with changing the new brake master. So, at the time, there was no brake master assembly demo. For this reason, in this video, I will show you how to assemble it. Lubricate the brake master cylinder with new brake fluid. After that, also grease the rear master piston seal rubber. Put the piston like this. Do it right. Apply more brake fluid to the brake master cylinder. Take the front master piston. Rub brake fluid on the rubber seal. For this part of the stall, apply a little grease. This section is out of the flow of brake fluid, so you really have to apply it with grease only. Use good grease, heat resistant and not easily lost in time. The grease used must be really clean. Do not use dirty grease, especially those that have been polluted by dirty sand. Attach the ring rubber along with the cover. Later at the time of installation to the booster, we will grease the master brake rod again with grease. Install the ring clamp. Do it right. Proceed with the installation of the center piston locking bolt. For how to install it, press the piston a little, then turn the bolt until it gets stuck. After that, secure it with a 10 wrench. Install the two rubber seals connecting the tube. Installation of rubber seal tube must be correct and precise. If it's not right, the result can cause leak. After the tube is installed, lock the position by attaching a pipe clamp at the bottom of the tube. Finally, attach the rubber seal connecting to the booster. Next, fill the new brake fluid into the tube. We wait a moment until the brake fluid has managed to get out of these two holes. After successfully exit, temporarily close these two holes. You can plug this hole using any rubber. You can use piece of sandal rubber or hardened sealant rubber. Or if you want to mess around, Just attach this brake master to the booster. The important thing is the condition of the oil in the shaping does not run out.